Welcome to our in-depth review of the all-new 2025 Škoda Kodiaq, the latest generation of Škoda's iconic SUV. Known for its balance of practicality, style, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Kodiaq sets a new standard in the SUV market. In this video, we'll take you through every detail of this impressive vehicle, including the 2025 Škoda Kodiaq has been completely redesigned with a bold and dynamic aesthetic. Its sharper lines, redesigned LED headlights, and larger grille create a commanding road presence. The sleek aerodynamics not only enhance the look but also improve fuel efficiency. Available in several new color options, the Kodiaq makes a statement wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, luxurious cabin built for comfort and functionality. The improved layout offers premium materials, ambient lighting, and enhanced ergonomics. With seating for up to 7 passengers, the Kodiaq remains an excellent choice for families, and the larger cargo space ensures you have room for all your adventures. Technology and connectivity. The 2025 Kodiaq comes equipped with Škoda's latest technology suite, featuring a 12.9-inch infotainment screen, a customizable digital cockpit, and seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. New for 2025, the SUV introduces an augmented reality heads-up display and advanced voice controls for a smarter driving experience. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Škoda Kodiaq offers a variety of powertrains to suit every driver's needs, including petrol and diesel engines, refined for better efficiency and performance. Plug-in hybrid PHEV combining electric efficiency with robust performance, perfect for eco-conscious drivers. All-wheel drive options, ensures stability and control, whether on city streets or rugged terrain. Sporty performance. The 2025 Kodiaq has been engineered to thrill. Its sport-oriented features include turbocharged engines, offering power-packed performance with excellent throttle response. Dynamic chassis control DCC tailor your driving experience with customizable driving modes, from eco to sport. Sportline trim. Exclusive sporty accents like blacked-out exterior elements, sport seats, and larger alloy wheels make the Kodiaq Sportline a standout. 4x4 capability, confident handling and superior traction, whether you're cruising highways or tackling off-road trails. For those seeking pure exhilaration, the RS version of the Kodiaq delivers top-of-the-line performance, featuring a powerful 2.0-liter twin-turbo engine and enhanced suspension for precise handling. Safety features. Safety has always been a priority for Škoda, and the 2025 Kodiaq is no exception. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras and parking assist. These features work together to provide a safer, more confident driving experience. Why choose the 2025 Kodiaq? The Škoda Kodiaq 2025 is not just a car, it's a lifestyle choice. With its exceptional blend of style, practicality, and cutting-edge technology, it caters to families, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts alike. Unmatched reliability. Škoda's reputation for durability and dependability shines in the 2025 Kodiaq. Built to last, engineered with premium materials and tested rigorously under extreme conditions to ensure long-term performance. Advanced safety systems, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and collision avoidance provide peace of mind in every journey. Intelligent maintenance features. The vehicle's onboard diagnostics and predictive service alerts keep you informed about its health, ensuring hassle-free ownership. Athletic design meets everyday practicality. The 2025 Kodiaq balances sporty aesthetics with practical features. Aggressive lines, a redesigned grille, and full LED matrix headlights give it a bold, athletic look. Aerodynamic enhancements not only improve performance but also contribute to fuel efficiency. Despite its sporty DNA, the Kodiaq remains spacious, offering up to 720 liters of trunk space with the seats up and up to 2,065 liters when folded. Why choose the 2025 Škoda Kodiaq? This SUV is the perfect blend of performance, reliability, and functionality. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a family driver, or someone who values dependability, the Kodiaq delivers on all fronts. Experience the Škoda Kodiaq 2025 where sporty performance meets legendary Škoda reliability. Watch the video for an in-depth review of all its features and let us know in the comments what excites you most about this next generation SUV. Join us as we take a closer look at all these features and see why the 2025 Škoda Kodiaq is set to redefine the midsize SUV segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive reviews.